Welcome to our comprehensive review of 16 cutting-edge car gadgets that are set to redefine your driving experience. Get ready to discover the future of driving right here, right now. The AstroAI Tire Inflator, the perfect solution for all your inflation needs. It offers 4 preset modes for different vehicles and a manual mode for custom pressure settings. Powered by a 20 volts lithium battery and a DC 12 volts option, it ensures continuous inflation without power concerns. Inflating a tire takes less than 5 minutes, and the 2000 mAh battery lasts for 15 minutes. The inflator is smart and safe, with auto shut-off at the preset pressure and an LCD screen displaying real-time values. The built-in LED light aids nighttime inflation. Suitable for cars, bikes, and more. NOCO Boost X Series, a new era in jump-starting power. With 1250 amps, this lithium car battery jump starter delivers maximum energy for powerful starts. Turbochargeable with USB-C technology, it recharges in 48 minutes or jump starts in just 5 minutes of charge. Charge your USB-C devices effortlessly with its 60-watt power bank. Experience Ultra Safe 2.0 for enhanced safety and performance. From cars to boats, it jump-starts a variety of vehicles with up to 6.5-liter gasoline and 4.0-liter diesel engines. Elevate your jump starting with the X Extreme series. Experience the future of in-car technology with lightning-fast startup. With a powerful 4-core chip, it boots up in just 5 seconds, offering instant functionality and unmatched speed. This premium CarPlay receiver provides multiple audio options, including O, FM, speaker, and Bluetooth, housed in a sleek design. Compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, it seamlessly integrates your smartphone for safer driving. A customizable 4K dashcam enhances visibility while driving, and the 1080p reserve camera with reverse assist simplifies parking. Advanced driver assistance features and the road app for real-time video viewing complete this exceptional package. Popsocket Vent Car Mount, a set of 2 collapsible socket holders for car vents in sleek black. Designed for horizontal air vents, these mounts feature secure clips and are compatible with various socket grips, excluding thicker tops and irregular shapes. They ensure a reliable grip for your smartphone even on bumpy roads. Installation is quick with one-handed use. The rubber air vent clip prevents scratches. Plus, the charming Fox design adds elegance to your car's interior. Zyndel Car Windshield Cleaner, the easy solution for quick and painless windshield cleaning. Its extended handle and pivoting head effortlessly tackle tough spots, making cleaning a breeze. Designed with a swiveled head, it reaches tricky areas, ensuring a clear view. Suitable for all surfaces, from cars to household needs. Durable aluminum alloy construction with washable, reusable pads. Elevate your detailing game with our advanced pressure wash foam cannon. Featuring dual adjustable spray fans, brass and stainless steel fittings, and a versatile foaming nozzle, it's designed to fit all bottle types. A must-have for detailing enthusiasts, this foam lance speeds up your cleaning routine while providing vital protection for delicate surfaces. With over 32 ounces capacity, it creates a thick layer of foam that safeguards your car's paint, wheels, and trim. Introducing OPT7's groundbreaking lighting solution featuring the exclusive OPT7 Connect app. Customize your style with presets, brightness adjustments, and in-app support. Enjoy solid, strobe, fade, color cycle, and sound sync modes simultaneously for a vibrant road experience. Enhance your vehicle's look with the exclusive Door Assist entry light that automatically illuminates and changes colors through your smartphone. These flexible and durable strips fit challenging areas like door panels and seats. For optimal results, ensure a clean, dry surface. Experience sound sync technology. Lights flash to your music's beat using smart color changing LEDs, delivering captivating colors. Elevate your vehicle's aesthetics with OPT7. The Windshield MagSafe Car Mount, the ultimate solution for secure and convenient phone placement while driving. With strong 3M adhesive, it withstands extreme conditions without dropping. Equipped with 20 powerful N52 magnets, it ensures your phone stays in place during turns and bumps without signal interference. Designed exclusively for MagSafe, it attaches seamlessly to iPhone 12, 13, 14 Pro Max Mini and official MagSafe cases. The compact design adapts to any car and offers 360-degree adjustment. Included metal rings make it compatible with all phones and cases. Upgrade your driving experience with the Windshield MagSafe Car Mount. Windshield Tesla Model Center Console Organizer, the ultimate accessory for an organized car interior. Its translucent design with unique acrylic material allows easy retrieval of items in the dark. Keep your center console tidy with dedicated compartments for phones, keys, and more. The organizer provides both organization and privacy, concealing items with a simple push. It's waterproof, easy to clean, and comes with protective silicone mats. Premium sunglass holder for car visor, crafted from high-quality Napa leather for softness, durability, and scratch resistance. Its magnetic closure ensures your glasses stay secure while you drive, allowing for easy one-handed operation. The thoughtful design accommodates different sunglasses sizes, non-magnetic cards, and even cash, keeping your car interior organized. Introducing Flex Tough, our durable car floor mats designed for extreme conditions. Crafted with advanced rubber polymers, these mats won't crack, split, or deform. Featuring a no-slip grip with rubberized nibs on the bottom and ergonomic grooves on top, they offer traction and comfort. Built to protect against spills, debris, and tough weather, these mats are trimmable to fit your vehicle's floor contours. A229 Duo Dual Dash Cam, your ultimate driving safety solution. With a 2K Quad HD rear camera, capture crucial details even from behind. Equipped with Sony Starvis IMX335 5MP sensors, it records 2K plus 2K Quad HD 1440p videos for both front and rear views, day and night. Experience faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi for swift data transfer, enabling easy video access via the VFO app. The built-in GPS logger tracks route data and synchronizes with GPS time. Intelligent voice notifications keep you informed about settings and events, ensuring important videos are never missed. Elevate your driving security with the A229 Duo Dual Dash Cam, your reliable companion on the road. Innovative Car Freshener Diffuser, a driving companion that offers 3-scent strength options for stress relief, mood enhancement, and fatigue relief during long drives. The timing diffused system periodically releases essential oil while your car is running, maintaining a pleasant atmosphere. It adjusts diffusing volume and enters standby mode after 4 minutes of inactivity. With a 300 mAh rechargeable battery, it provides 1 month of use. An aromatherapy on the go for a refreshing journey. Introducing the extra-large trunk organizer, the ultimate vehicle storage solution. Crafted from durable Oxford polyester, it's eco-friendly and water-resistant. Built tough with reinforced stitching, it features clip and hold subdividers and rigid base plates for organized storage. With 6 compartments, 4 removable subdividers, and a foldable seat organizer, it's versatile and innovative. Upgrade your vehicle's organization with Le Classique Shop's trunk organizer, designed to withstand wear and tear while keeping your cargo secure and your car clutter-free. A versatile solution for reaching new heights with ease. Its adjustable design ensures compatibility with car, truck, and RV tires. Slip it over your tire to access roof racks, engines, and more without overreaching. With 3 height and 4 width positions, it's tailored to your needs. The folding design saves space in your vehicle and storage areas, making it conveniently portable. Universal X-Strap Fitment Bag, your ultimate tire storage solution. It accommodates tires effortlessly. Offering a generous 25-gallon capacity, perfect for a standard 30-gallon trash bag for easy disposal. Crafted from reinforced 1680 denier canvas with water-resistant coating, it ensures durability. The bag features UV protective nylon cover, reflective strips, drainage holes, moire straps, and a mesh pocket for added storage. Elevate your tire storage with this smartly designed solution. Thanks for watching. You can buy these products using my links. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's meet with a new video in next time.